Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classteacher.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: how can Azure lower capital expenditure CapEx costs? Option A. Azure reduces the amount of maintenance that is associated with the configuration of firewalls, which reduces costs. Option B. Azure allows you to reduce the level of IT staffing that is required to maintain on-premises applications and services. Option C. Azure allows you to pay monthly based on usage rather than pay upfront for physical hardware. Option D. Azure allows you to pay annually to reduce overall costs that are associated with its platform as a service PaaS offerings. The correct answer of the question, option C. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.